there, welcome to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave. And in today's video, we are going to be looking at my affiliate marketing journey for the last month of July. Guys, welcome to the channel. Welcome to these videos. I do a monthly review on affiliate marketing. And if you're interested in learning the skill sets to pave the way for your dreams to come true, then you're on the right place. You're in the exact place where you need to be because this channel is all about skill sets that help you pave the way for your dreams to come true. So whether it's affiliate marketing, whether it's trading, whether it is anything that I'm learning along this journey, I want to share it here on this channel with you. So if you are interested in these kind of videos, specifically what's going on with my affiliate marketing journey, then stay tuned because I'm going to hop on my laptop and share with you the entire month of July, what exactly happened. Perfect, guys. Here I am on my screen and I'm showing you from the get-go the entire formula that I have with affiliate marketing. But before I go ahead and talk to you about the formula and talk to you about everything, I do want to say a few things. I want to introduce myself first and foremost. I've been doing affiliate marketing for a long time, guys, but in March of this year, I decided to, basically throw everything out the window and say, can you be making a full-time income with affiliate marketing in 2023? Well, it is possible, but it takes time. It does take effort. It does take action. We're not here to do some get rich quick. We're not here to just make money and overnight and so on and so forth, but you're learning skills that you can plug in and play and actually build a solid foundation for yourself for the long term. That's the main point of this channel. So what I did was basically I wanted to show two main aspects, and this is the complete whole structure. With affiliate marketing, there are two main skill sets that you need. One is advertising and the second is copywriting. This is what I always say in each and every one of my videos, guys. And by the way, before I go ahead and share with you more and get into the really nice things that I love to share every single month on this channel, but every single week as well, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification if you're interested in these videos, because I'm sure that you can see the passion in me, and more than anything else, I'm here to give you the raw truth of how things work in this industry. So that's why I'm saying hit that subscribe button and the bell notification. I put out 3 videos every single week on a Monday, a Wednesday, and a Friday. So you will get these videos if you are subscribed. And if you're also getting the notifications, you're going to know exactly when I post the video. So let me go ahead and share with you this whole structure. So there's, as I said, advertising, and there is copywriting. For the advertising side, guys, you can easily go free marketing or free advertising, or you can go paid advertising. I personally, and if you are like me, you can still have your free advertising. But if you are like me and who has a full-time job, then a 9-to-5 job, then you want to spend less time on doing that free advertising. That's personally what I want to do. I want to make sure that I'm documenting things freely and sharing my journey and not being stressed out about my free marketing to know that I need to achieve certain things every single day and blah, 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 but rather to focus on the paid efforts, the actions, the steps, which take me about 30 minutes to an hour maximum every day to implement. I'm set it, I get it done, then I move on, go about running, living my life, and so on and so forth. That's personally what I'm doing, and I'm using free, let's say the free advertising side, I'm just documenting my journey. So I use paid advertising, okay? I use paid advertising, which basically means I spend money to get those leads or to get those clicks and to get myself seen. That is what I do. Now, in order for you to do that, that's the advertising side. And in order for me to do that, I need to have cash flow, guys. If I don't have cash flow, I need to have a certain budget, and within a specific amount of time. With paid advertising, you have to be flexible enough to know that maybe you're going to spend a little bit more to gain more also in the future, but it's not going to happen instantly or overnight. It's going to take some time before your ROI starts to build. You have to give yourself, in my opinion, at least 12 months of following one plan, one specific strategy, moving forward with one strategy. That's personally how I think about it. And it's really up to you to make that decision. It's going to take you patience. It's going to take you commitment. It's not going to happen overnight. And that's why I say that affiliate marketing is very rewarding, but you have to give it time. You have to give it the effort. You have to give yourself to make it happen. So that's the whole thing. So in this whole structure, in this whole formula, I had 2 elements in place because the advertising is such a way. So the first is creating a cash flow. The second is purely advertising. First is creating a cash flow. The second is step 1 is creating a cash flow. Step 2 is advertising. From the advertising perspective, from the marketing perspective, or let's say from the copywriting perspective, the first section is allowing you, so step 1, the cash flow element, is allowing you to practice the skill sets of email marketing or copywriting or whatever you want to call it, but it's basically copywriting with the getting sales. So you are training your brain, you're training the way you write, you're training your skill sets to become a better marketer, to become a better email copywriter, to become a better person who knows your audience and know how to change your messaging, your voice, your messaging mainly per market or per audience that you have. So if I'm not going to write the same way that I'm going to write on Facebook, I'm not going to make the same kind of video that I'm going to make on TikTok. So those are the different kinds of elements that we need to do. So step one allows you cash flow. And from an email or copywriting perspective, it gives you practice. So these are the two things that step one gives you. And step two is purely honing down on those skills. So first, when it comes to advertising, you're highly paid advertising. You're only using paid advertising there. So you are gaining the skill set of paid advertising, understanding your audience, making sure that you're doing well with how you send the traffic, consistency with sending traffic. How much are you going to send? Where is the return? After how many clicks do I get a sale? You're analyzing all those things on the advertising side, right? So you're just plugging in and sending traffic and then making it a science. So that's the beauty of the advertising side. And then the rest of the sales process is purely copywriting to its best. So the landing page, you can optimize it as you go along. The bridge page, you can optimize it with your copywriting skill sets as you move along. The emails that you send to your list, you are also advertising right there and learning the copywriting skills. So these are the two skill sets, and this whole step one and step two of my formula focus on these two main things. If you can see, guys, all I'm sharing with you is skills. I cannot guarantee you that you are going to make these results or you are going to make these kind of income. However, step one itself, and I'm going to show you that in today's video, step one itself is a methodology which you can make at least $200 to $300 per month just doing step one. And I suggest do that because it creates a cash flow of $200 to $300 per month, which you can then use into advertising, which then snowballs after some time. You need to give it time before it actually happens. I have the complete training for you if you're interested in this method. Let me repeat that again. If you're interested in this method, I have the full training, a full playlist, all the details related to traffic generation or advertising, related to copywriting, related to systems, everything in the playlist in the description of this video, guys. So go to the description of this video, watch this playlist because it's going to be how to get $1,000 per month with affiliate marketing, complete overview, and the entire playlist right here. As you can see, there are about 16 videos at the time of when I'm shooting this video, but I put out a video every single week and it goes to this playlist. So you're getting constant training. Secondly, you will also find a link to my group in the description in case you want to join and get the support from me personally. As you can see right here, you need to answer a few questions. If you don't answer these questions, I'm not going to let you enter into the group. So please do answer those questions and then you will be added into the group. And I have a whole guide section here that does affiliate marketing one-on-one, will help you out. And if you need anything, I'm there to support. So this is where I'm giving the most support. If you want my support, then that's where you need to be first and foremost. Okay, so these are the two resources which are completely for free in the description of this video. The second thing, let's go ahead and actually go through this process. Now, it took me, as I said, step one took me about, let's say, 2 or 3 months to just follow step one. I just followed step one for 2 or 3 months. And then from May this year, I started with step two. So I'm going to show you my whole entire affiliate marketing results with this formula for the month of, or for the last few months. So let's go to sales report. So I use Warrior Plus, guys. If you don't know, I use Warrior Plus as my main network where I do all my sales. I do everything right there. So we will go from March is when I started of this year. We will go to the end of July. Basically, I don't want to put August because we're on the 1st of August when I'm shooting this video. And let's look at what we have so far since I've started following this strategy, guys. And it's very important for you guys to see this because I think transparency is the key to anything that we do. This is transparency at its core. At its core. So as you can see, I got started in March and it was $98 that I did that month. The next was in April, again $219 the next month. In May, I had a very good month and I made $300 that month. So these 3 months, I just followed step one. So $200 to $300 per month by just following step one is what I did with affiliate marketing. What did I do? I used a traffic source. So I paid $30 for a traffic source, which you can find in the description of this video as well. And I send an email out every single day to the leads that I get from this traffic source. This traffic source gives me $100 100 to 300, sorry, 100 to 200 leads every single day. And I send out an email to those 100 to 200 leads every day. And then I get sales. As I get those sales, that adds to this account. And then I also use those. So first 2 months, that's all I did until May. Then in June, I started to buy traffic. Okay, so I started to buy paid advertising. Now I need a lot more time to go through, I think at least 4 months before you actually see the momentum being built up with buying paid traffic on a consistent basis. So this is something that's going to happen. I just need to give it time. Okay. So last month, month of June, as you can see, I made $379. And the month of July was a $300 month for me personally, just by following this method. So how much have I made so far in since March? 88 sales, 1,300 in commissions totally, and the last month of July was $300. Now I want to break this down for you and show you like how much is step one and how much is step two, so that right now you understand the difference. Okay, so we're going to go to transaction in Warrior Plus itself, and I want to show you this because I think it's super important that you guys see, and not only see but understand how transparent I'm being in my journey with the monthly reports, to say, guys, if you want, all you need to do is literally follow this playlist. The playlist has how to get $1,000 per month, and this is all I'm doing to get to that $1,000 per month. Once you hit that, you can scale up. You can really scale up. So let's go ahead and actually put the whole month of July. So we go to the 1st of July, and I want to break this down. So first we're going to go to the step one, right? Step one is My Legion Secrets is the traffic source. I have the tagging there. So you can see I send my offer out to the traffic source and I get a sale. Let's see how many sales in the month of July I made with My Legion Secrets. So I have it tagged with tracking code with MLGS as the main tracking code there. And I'm going to search for the month of July. So in the month of July, I made 13 sales. Okay, let me repeat that again for you guys. I made 13 sales. Every single week, I made at least 1 to 2 sales, basically. And I got commissions of $210 just from this method. So as I said, step one is easily a $200 per month method. If you just want to stick with that and be lazy and get your $200 per month and go away, that's absolutely fine. You can do that. If you know, I can't guarantee you this amount. By the way, all the disclaimers and everything are in the description. So I have that there, but I cannot guarantee. It does take work, it does take effort, but just using step one has generated me $200 this month, has generated me $200 the last month and the previous month before that. So it's consistently generating me at least $200 every single month. That's something to be very happy about, first and foremost. Now let's look at the rest. Okay, so if I go to and I click on system, and I'll share with you what is system in a second. Okay, so 210 from there. You guys know that totally I made 300. So right now, step two made me 91. Now, what is step two? I want to get into a little bit more. So I buy traffic, I buy advertising basically, and I send it to this page right here. I send it to this page right here. This page collects an email address. Okay, it won't go forward if I don't collect the email address. And that gets the whole sales process started. Now, how do I actually create this page? This page is basically going to a landing page. That is what you just saw as a landing page, which goes to a bridge page, a training that I have, a thank you page, if you want to call it. And then it shows the offer that I own. I do not share anything in my funnel that I don't own. Everything I do own, because I believe that it gives you much more authority to have the products that you own and then share it with other people. So that's why I own those products. And if I make a sale, that's great. The emails will then also follow up in this entire process, send people to the bridge page, send people to other offers. And as I get sales, I get sales. That's simply it. So all of this I have built. This whole process in step two has been built for free with a tool called system.io, guys. And in this tool, as I mentioned, is completely for free. If you, up to 2,000 contacts, you can get this completely for free. If you want to in further than that, if you want also a free funnel, then I highly suggest to follow along with this playlist, because I share with you not only how you can use this tool in step two, but I also show you how you can set up the entire funnel for free and leverage my own, share codes and stuff like that to be able to import them first and foremost, then use them and everything else. So that's all in this training right here. But like I said, system.io is a tool that I would highly recommend everybody to get. It's absolutely for free and you can build a lot for a long time. I'm going to be using it for the next 10, 15, 20 years, I guess. So that's what I do, right? And everything is built-in system.io. So what I did was throughout the whole sales process, so let me just go to my thank you page so you can see very clearly. In this thank you page is basically I have a 20-minute training, and then I have, as you can see right here, button. Then it shows the proof progress results. It shows some proof progress for myself in the month of the first month, the second month, how it was, second and third month, how it was. And then I say monthly growth with no hype or exaggerated result. Full information, to get the full information to act now. And they have this affiliate marketing earnings here. They can click here, and then this is just another thing that I've added to see how it's converting, and right now it's doing well for me. But all of these places, one of the things that they have is that these images have the tag image, and these have the tag system. So now let me go ahead and actually do some math for you guys. If I put system, like I'm just going to put image first, okay, because image is something that I do have. Let's put image. You can see I've made absolutely no sales, so nobody has clicked on my image in my sales process and gone and actually made it. If I put email, no one has made I've not got sales through my email from the link that I'm sending directly to the offer. However, if I put system, and this is the interesting part, right? You can see that I've made in the last month of July only, I made $91 just from that. Now, just to see the difference, the previous month in June was the first month that I started to buy traffic, right? So I wanted to see whether this funnel actually converts. And I need time, and I need to be testing things out for it to be understandable whether I'm making, like I can say it does work or doesn't work. So let me just go to the end of June, and I'm going to click go, and then we're going to be looking. I specifically want to see system, and I want to show you exactly how much I earned with system in the month of June, so you guys can see the difference. Okay, so in the month of June I earned $97, 7 items. Sorry, so in the month of June I earned $97.31. So that's about $100, almost $100, $3 less from the 7 items are sold, all from system. Great, perfect. And let's compare it to this month. So that means now this is the second consecutive month that I am following the step 2, right? And in step 2 I am earning another $90 this month from step 2. So that means 2 months now have gone by, and I've earned basically $90 more or less each month from this funnel just by sending traffic. Now you might say, David, that isn't that not a lot of money? At the moment it's not, but it does get better over time. Why does it get better over time? Because as I said, when you push through this funnel traffic over time is where the value is. And I do have other offers within my funnel, within my email series, which takes 38 days to go through. So it does need time for people to warm up, to get to know me, to have interest in me, to join my Facebook group, and so many beautiful other things that can happen. So how much did I make in the last month of July? As you saw, guys, if we remove all of this and we just go to go, you will see that I have done about $301 in commissions and $442 in sales, specifically with Warrior Plus. 23 items were sold in the last month. So that's the consistency. I'm not here to show you like, let's get a lot of money, let's get rich. This is pure consistency. You're looking to make $1,000 per month consistently. Are you looking to make $2,000 per month consistently? Are you looking to grow to that? Well, it's going to take you some time. You are setting yourself up to get those consistent months, those, as I call it, scientific months, where it's like, you plug and play, and you know that you're going to be getting $1,000 a month or $2,000 a month. You just need to do these actions and keep working with it. So guys, if you liked what you see in this video, if you want to follow along, as I said, all the resources are in the description of this video. You have all the links to everything that I have, free, paid, all of them is in the description of this video. Check them out. Let me know, comment below. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm happy to help and happy to answer each and everybody's comments. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't hit that subscribe button yet. I'm going to see you guys on the next week video. Have a great day and keep paving the way for your dreams to come true.